So these are what we call the building block barebone computers right here. These computers are equipped with our mini-itx or 3.5-inch single board computer motherboards inside. They are thin and small in size, low profile, but they provide many external I/O ports in the front and on the back panel to optimize the input-output features provided from the motherboard, and they also support wide-range DC power. The chassis around it are already FCC and CE certified. We always have these kits in stock, and we're able to move quick prototype samples and deliver to our customers for them to install their select processors, memory, and storage to test with their applications. So these are great starter products for OEM customers who want a great foundation to move forward with their applications, not only to reduce the development time, but also save the cost on certifications. So for more information, please feel free to check out www.bcmcom.com.